Hi guys, and welcome to the channel, Ron's Keto Cafe. Today on Ron's Keto Cafe we're making Shackles for Life episode number 18. Today we're going to be doing mozzarella cheese shackles, and we're going to use kielbasa today as my sandwich. And I'm going to do the kielbasa up in the air fryer, so just follow me along guys and you'll be fine. So we have some Polish kielbasa over here. This is the small batch from KM, my favorite company for the pork sausages. What I'm doing over here is I'm just measuring with the end of the blade knife there about the size of the mini dash, and I wanted to try to get almost to the perfect size. And then I just basically cut my meat in half, and I'm going to pop that into the air fryer at 400 on a preheated air fryer for approximately 12 minutes at 400. And yeah, everything was fine. And kielbasa is considered a dirty, lazy keto meal. It's not a clean keto meal because of the ingredients in the kielbasa, but you know, sometimes you got to do what you got to do, right, guys? So let's continue on. Well, the air fryer has been done preheating. Now it's going to dump these right into the air fryer and let it go for around 12 minutes. And of course, while that's going, and we're going to be making our shackles. And when you pop in the air fryer out of the air fryer basket there, be careful because it's going to be hot there. You don't want to burn yourself like I've done many times. So over here we're going to take one egg and we're going to put a little bit of salt and pepper, really simple. And then I realized that egg was a small egg even though it was marked large, so I ended up using another egg. And then I added some simple salt and pepper in. You can at this point you can add garlic powder, onion powder, anything you want here for seasoning. Today I'm just keeping it basic and simple. And then I ended up adding another egg, and you're gonna see me over here in the video coming up. I was cracking another egg and I was putting into the measuring cup. And I like to use these Pyrex measuring cups here, only because it makes it easier to pour without making too much of a mess. And then this is the first egg that I put in, and then I realized it wasn't enough, and I'm just cracking the other egg right over the measuring cup. And whoop, right in, there you go. And then I whisked that up really well. And then I got my two mini dashes going on the overhead camera. I wanted to get a good camera overhead for you guys. And once they heated up, I started making my shackles. And over here I'm just putting in some mozzarella cheese. I was probably putting maybe about a quarter of a cup, maybe a little bit more. It all depends how cheesy you want it. And these came out really good, by the way. And this particular batch made two, and I was just mixing it up like this. And I get a lot of my inspiration from other YouTubers like sorry about that. Jess Keto and Jason and more. He's got a great YouTube channel for Chaffles, and go over there and support his channel. And now I'm just pouring the mixture over the top of the mold. I should have had a plate or towel under my dashes there, but you know, I'm going to be trying to be careful and get these down to a science and the exact portions, how much to put over the dash. And once you get done, you just close the lid, and then a few minutes later, boom, you got two shackles that you can use for any type of sandwich you can make them for. Now, I noticed that if you watch over here in a minute or so, okay, so that just rose up, and then the lights goes out, and then you see how nice and clean and awesome these look. These felt like more like bread instead of a hard shackle. Maybe it's because of the mozzarella cheese. But anyways, you can clearly see how big they were. And they did end up shrinking a little bit. And then over here, as we continue on over here with the removing of the shackles there, that's our kielbasa. That's the final product on the kielbasa. And then I ended up taking a couple of kielbasas and I put them on top of my shackle and put a little bit of French's mustard in. And yeah, so there you have our final product, and that's the mustard I'm using. And perfectly fine for keto. So hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up, like, share, and subscribe to the channel. You know the Rudy too. And have an amazing day, and see you on the next one.